Hey guys, Colin McLeod here from the Stock Market Basics. Continuing on with our daily intraday stock picks for January 3rd, 2013, we've got the shorts. Now the first short on our list for tomorrow is DRI. This is in the restaurant sector and trades on the New York Stock Exchange. Now we like this restaurant company as a short for tomorrow for the following reasons. The stock has been trading at a wide range over the past few years. In mid-December the stock sold off sharply after gapping down. The stock was quickly bought up and pushed to new highs. The stock has been unable to get any additional momentum to the upside going and has been drifting sideways, and today the stock broke below the recent trading range and put in a move to the downside, closing at the lows. We'll see if this stock can put a nice move lower for us as the market opens tomorrow, and if it does drop below 53.20, we'll consider it as a short with an intraday target of 52.10. Here's a daily chart of DRI. Next up we've got DUK. This is in the utilities sector and trades in the New York Stock Exchange. Now we like this utility company as a short for tomorrow for the following reasons. The stock topped out in November and has been creeping lower. In mid-December the stock found some support in the $68 area and tried to move back up. There were simply not enough buyers to push this stock up any higher, and the rally attempt was short-lived. Since then the stock has been trading sideways, and today the stock moved down to the previous support level and closed in the lower portion of its daily range. We'll see if this stock can break down below support tomorrow, and if it does drop below $67.90 a share, we're looking to go short on it with an intraday price target of $67.05. Here's a daily chart of DUK. Short number 3 on our list for tomorrow is MRC. This is in the machinery sector and trades on the New York Stock Exchange. Now we like this machinery company as a short for tomorrow for the following reasons. The stock topped out in May of 2013 and sold off sharply. Since bottoming out in July, the stock has been rallying. The rally was bought in short of the previous high, and the upside momentum was faded for the time being. Yesterday the stock tried to move up but got sold off sharply, and today the stock followed through to the downside, gapping down and trading lower to close at the lows. We'll see if this stock can move any lower for us tomorrow, and if it does drop below $31.21 a share, we plan to go short on it with an intraday price target of $30.60 a share. Here's a daily chart of MRC. Next up we've got PGR. This is in the insurance sector and trades on the New York Stock Exchange. Now we like this one as a short for tomorrow for the following reasons. The stock topped out at the start of December with a gap up that reversed and got sold off. The stock followed through to the downside and erased the gains from the previous rally. After bottoming out, the stock started to rally and put in a series of very small moves up on low volume, and today the stock started off the year with a big sell-off closing weekly. We'll see if the downside momentum can continue as the market opens tomorrow, and if this stock does plunge below $26.60, we'll be looking to short it with an intraday price target of $26.05. Here's a daily chart of PGR. Short number 5 on our list for tomorrow is VALE. This is another company in the mining sector and trades on the New York Stock Exchange. Now we like VAL as a short for tomorrow for the following reasons. The stock is in a long-term downtrend. The sector and the stock made a low in July and have been moving to the upside. After gapping up in early November, the stock was unable to hold on to its gains and started to trade lower. Since then, the stock has made a series of lower highs, and today the stock gapped down and moved lower on heavy volume. We'll see if there's any follow-through to the downside as the market opens tomorrow, and if it does trade below 1440, we'll be looking to short the stock with an intraday price target of 1403. Here's a daily chart of VAL. Last but not least, we've got WLP. This is in the healthcare sector and trades on the New York Stock Exchange. Now we like this one as a short for tomorrow for the following reasons. The stock has been in an uptrend. The stock topped out in November and sold off to support. Since then the stock has been rallying back upwards to the highs. The stock lost rally momentum with a shooting star, and today the stock followed through the downside, closing at the lows. We'll see if this stock can get a more momentum to the downside going as the market opens tomorrow, and if it does fall below $90.50 a share, we'll be looking to short it with a daily price target of $89 and 25 cents is an intraday trade. Here's the daily chart of WLP. Once again, my name is Colin McLeod from StockMarketBasics.com. Be sure to subscribe to the channel for future updates, as well as signing up for our Freedom 35 membership program.